Do you have a smartphone or a laptop and a good internet connection and you would like to earn up to £5 per day? This site is for you. Prime Opinion is actually one of the survey sites that I love most, even though that they do not pay as high as other sites that I have shared in this channel. But if making £5 per day is not too small for you, Prime Opinion could be a good option for you. So for you to make it under Prime Opinion, there are some things you have to take note of. Number one is the consistency of your answers. You have to be extremely consistent with your answers. If you said in your profile that you are 31 years, then you have to remain 31 years all throughout in your Prime Opinion account. Secondly is your demographic. You need to have a strong profile in order to be able to make reasonable amounts from this particular website. Then if you are asking how much could you make from Prime Opinion in a month, it's possible to make over £200 from Prime Opinion in a month, depending on how consistent you are with this site.
Hi, my name is Coach Emilia and I help people make money online. If this sounds like what you are interested in, please kindly help me by subscribing, click on the notification button so that whenever I upload videos like this, we always be among the first to get notified.
I want to officially inform you that we have some other coaches who are also willing to support us in this channel. So whenever I'm very busy, I'm going to be assigning some of my assistants to make videos for us. If you are okay with this new development, please let me know in the comment section. And if you would like me to continue being the one to create our videos, please let me know also.
Hello guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. And now in this video I'll be teaching you how you can make £50 to £100 per week just by simply taking survey and participating in other simple tasks. Now if this is your first time of watching my video, do well to like, subscribe and comment this video so you can get more updates once a new videos drop. So now firstly you connect your VPN and go to any browser of your choice, but as of me I'm using Safira. Prime Opinion. You can either put primeopinion.com or Prime Opinion or Prime Opinion survey, but my browser is this way. So next you have to click on this on accept cookies and you can see sign up and get £1 free bonus. Next you have to do is to input your email here and for me I'll be using coach legend 29@gmail.com. and next thing I'll be clicking on is on continue. You can see this password. I'll have to accept their terms and conditions. My password. Put my password. After I put my password, I click on continue over here. You will need your email address and password to save your progress and send you the reward you redeem. Your email is not sold to any third-party site. No, it's third-party site. So indeed, while registering here, you need to use your real email because when you will be about to redeem your reward, they will have to send it to your email address. So use your real email address. Next, you'll be clicking on continue over here. They sent in an email confirmation to my email address. You can see it. I click on this. I have to go to my email address, click on it, and either I copy this link here or I'll have to click on confirm email address over here. You can see it, or I click on this to copy the link. After copying the link, I go back to my browser. And paste the link over here. So as you can see, this is loading, and now you see here over here you can see I successfully created my Prime Opinion account, and in this Prime Opinion you can earn, like many of my students has earned more than £500 from this Prime Opinion site. So what you have to do, you have to get a welcome bonus. You can cash out your points anytime for real cash through PayPal or choose from 100 plus gift card and other options. So you can see this and you click on, you got a 100 point bonus cash out from 500 points. Now this thing you see here, you got a 100 points bonus, cash out from 500 points. This simply means that as your registration, your first cash out is to be 500 points. You cannot withdraw once you reach 100 points in this, because you claimed your welcome bonus, and it's a must. You must claim it. So after your 500 points, which is approximately £5, after withdrawing your 500 points, you can start with, after your first withdrawal, which is 500 points, you can start withdrawing 100 points through PayPal or through your bank or through gift card, anyone. So you have to click on get bonus, and I click on your balance has been updated. I click on get bonus and wait for it to load. You can see this. Wow, you can see my Prime Opinion account. You can see it. Can you see it? You see different survey on my Prime Opinion account. All I have to click on now, I have to click on my first survey site, from my first survey, to answer the first survey over here. Now this should be your key point while doing this. Firstly, you must have a valid internet connection. Key point number 1. Let's continue the video. Now all you have to click on now is to click on the first survey that's showing you. Start your first survey over here. You click on the first survey here. You can see share your opinion. Your response are completely anonymous. Qualification, you read all this, and all you have to click on this one, start the survey. So as you have clicked on it, you wait for it to load. Now this question, are you in the United Kingdom? All you have to click on is yes, I'm living in United Kingdom. Don't select another country as far as your location is United Kingdom. Watching this video from anywhere you are, you can participate in this survey, whether it's available for your country or not. You can participate in this survey site. All you have to do, if you don't know how to participate in it, you have to comment in the comment section. Please give me a guide. It's not available for my country, and we will help you out from there. So next you have to click on next. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp support group in our bio. Now you have to enter your date of birth. You choosing your date of birth. Now if you need a valid template to fill in this Prime Opinion survey site, you have to comment in the comment section, just simply saying I need a valid template to complete my Prime Opinion surveys. That is it. This template in your surveys, you will need it most importantly because it is used to build up your survey profile to have enough survey. Now let's continue. This is what we call demography. Let's continue. What year? I'll have to enter. I'll be entering 1999. Select month, January. Select day. I'll be choosing 31st and click on go. I'll click on go. What is your gender? Are you a male or a female? Which one are you going to be choosing? Depending on your gender. Next, your zip code. In order to make this video short, I'll be rushing this service or your zip code. I'll put EC1AB11. Now some people have problem getting their zip code. This zip code I use may not, depending on the zip code you use, you can have quality survey. Zip code is also known as your postcode. Depending on the zip code you put or the postcode you put, it will depend on how they will give you your service, the service you are meant to answer, and how your survey is going to be, whether it's going to be a high point survey. But if you need a valid UK postcode that you can be using to answer your survey in order to get qualified in every of your survey, and in order for you to be to get enough survey per every day, you have to comment in the comment section by saying just simply I need a successfully UK postcode for this. I need a successfully UK postcode to fill in my Prime Opinion survey. That is it. And also in our next video, I'll be dropping how you can get your postcode, a valid UK postcode, using your IP address. So simply click on the subscribe button in order for you to get updates when the next video drop. So let's continue without wasting much time. I have to click on next. Now you can see this. I filled in everything very great. Next, now click on this on participate. It will be redirecting me to another page. You can see how easy and simple just this Prime Opinion survey is. You can be making about 50 to £100 weekly on this Prime Opinion. depending on how interested and how focused you are to make this money from here. So let us wait for it to load. You have to read all these questions here very well. Read the question and read the options well. Select wisely depending on the one you want to select. So now what next you have to do, click on next. Please indicate the age and gender of your child or children. All you have to click on is on. I'll be choosing boy age 3 because I choose 26 years. I'll be choosing boy age 4 and girl age 2 because I'm choosing 26 years, and I have to click on next. Approximately how many employees work at your organization or location? When they say all location, you know what it means. So as of me, I'll be choosing 501 to 1000 members. Depending on yours, you can choose yours. So I have to click on next. What is your job title, level or responsibility? I'll be choosing CEO and click on next. Which is the highest level of education you have completed? I'll be choosing postgraduate. You can choose any of these, but as of me, I'll be choosing postgraduate and click on next. What is your currently annual household income before tax? Like they mean before tax, you have your annual household income. I'll be choosing this and click on next. Now in which country do you live? I'll look for inner London. Click on next. Depending on your postcode, and on my next video I'll be showing you how you can get this, because people normally get disqualified because of this. In my next video I'll be dropping a video on how you can use your IP address to know the location you are. As of this, which is your ethnic group, I'll be choosing on white. Click on next. Please indicate which of the following best describe your occupation of the chief income earner in your household. I have to choose on skilled manual worker, semi-skilled manual worker, and click on next. Which of the following stream service have you heard of? You have to think here, because if you have not heard of anyone, you can choose. Everybody have heard of Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple. Many people have heard. Just you have to select any one of your choice and click on next. Which of the following describe you? You have to, according you, all these questions they ask it repeatedly, and you have to be very, very, very observant to memorize all the questions you have answered before. So you can see this. Which of the following best describe you? You choose the first of all, before this question, they asked you which of the following TV show do you know about. So as you can see, I will put I'm subscribed to a music streaming service. You can choose any one of these, and I have to click or I may choose I'll choose that one and click on next. If you could travel to any place in the world, where would you go and what would you like to do there? So now in such questions, they ask you this. You can easily copy this over here. You can easily copy this. Please go to any of your browser, whether ChatGPT or Meta AI or any browser of your choice, and click on it. So as I've clicked on it, I have to paste that question here, and I'll edit this question very well. Look at are you hearing what they say? You could travel to any place in the world. Now this question, if you had to ask this AI this question, they will tell you that they don't know your mind or something like that. So all you have to put is edit this thing as if you have to ask it a question, and ask it, if I am to travel to any place in the world, where would I go? After as what do you think I should do there? And you have to ask it this question. It will give you a unique answer that you can easily edit it and give them feedback. You can see it. You see it. So you can see this. Where should you go? What should you do there? You can see it referring this to me. Now all I have to do now is I'll have to copy this. I'll have to select text. I'll be going for number one. I'll be going for the number one question, number one answer, and click on copy. Go back to my browser, paste it over here. You can see this. Now next thing I have to do is to click on complete for it to load. Congratulations, you successfully completed survey. You will be soon redirected. You can see this, very easy and simple to do so. You see my balance, it has add, look at this, you can see it. And this also you completed your daily streak. Complete at least one survey per day to keep your streak and win up to 1,000 points every week. So you have to click on go check, depending if you wish to. So you can see this, you see what my balance has increased 1.24 points. So you can see this, it's improving, as simple as this. Now you see this, everything is very easy. And in my next video, just don't worry, I don't bother myself about getting postcode. But if you are on a hurry to join the Prime Opinion survey, all you have to do is to go to the comment section and type I need a valid postcode for my Prime Opinion survey. That is all, and I'll be dropping it for you there as a reply. That is it. And in my next video, I'll be dropping a video on how you can use your IP address to generate a valid UK postcode, and how you can use the same IP address to know your location anywhere you are. So now next thing you have to do, you can see this. Let me wait for it to load. Maybe I'm experiencing bad network over here, so just hold a while. Now, so as you can see it here, my point has added, and you can see all the whole surveys has been open. You see different type of survey, many surveys to take. You can see them, many and different type of survey I can participate on. You see all of them, you see them. So now if you want to claim your reward, you can see it's depending on how you build up your demography. It's depending on how they were going to be setting for your survey. If you want to redeem your reward, you can easily come here and press select reward. You can see this. You can do this through your PayPal transfer, but doing this payment through your PayPal transfer, you must reach 600. You can see this for £5 is 667 points. You see this, you see all of them. You can use through gift card. And if you don't know how to create your UK PayPal account, go back to my past video. I dropped a video there on how to create a valid UK PayPal account under 10 minutes. So easy and fast. Subscribe to this channel. Also, you'll get more updates when I drop the next video on this channel. You'll be updated. Thanks for watching. Do well to participate in this survey and aim more. Thanks.